How much does it cost to create an app like Airbnb? Airbnb hits the online travel industry. It provides the convenience for people to buy tickets, book accommodations, or compare prices on their smartphones. In 2019, worldwide online travel sales were recorded at $755.94 billion. Increased number in demand turning out to be a good investment option for people to make a mark in the travel industry. We Code Brew Labs presents Airbnb clone. But thing to consider is how much does it cost to create an app like Airbnb? There are some factors that affects the cost. First is size of the development team. The team which is working on the project consists of a project manager, developers for backend and frontend, UI/UX designers, and quality analyst experts. Second is the number of platforms. On which platform you want to launch your app influences the cost. App Store charges $99 per annum and Google Store $25 as a one-time payment to launch an app. Third is development time. Developers charge according to the per-hour rate. For instance, Android app development takes around 20 to 30% more time than iOS app development, hence it costs more than iOS apps. Fourth is features. Every app has its own features and every features has its own cost. Region. Where the mobile app development company is situated affects the cost.